Hello everyone, Merry Christmas with Don Master here. So we got a special gift here. I finally got this, came in. I ordered a couple other things I ordered from Home Depot's website. And I'm not really happy because it was supposed to be here the 22nd. And they kept pushing it out. They say the 23rd. And then they say later on the 24th. I'm like, there's no way it's going to show up Christmas Eve. And it hasn't. Two things I really need that replace some stolen tools for my home and car tool set. But anyway, this will belong with me. This is the NOCO Boost X GBX155 99 watt hours lithium jump starter. So yeah, this is the Christmas special edition, and there's going to be another Christmas special edition, but the stuff hasn't shown up yet. Due to weather, is what they say online on tracking for shipping. She's kind of going nuts here. What's wrong with you? What's the matter with you? We're on the spare bed here, in the spare bedroom. This is where I have all the extra tools. The cats like to come in here and thrash. Anyway, this is the GBX155 Ultra Safe Jump Starter. 4250 amps, 12 volt. This new one doesn't have a voltage gauge like the GB150 that we have at work. It's got newer style clamps, and apparently it's got more power. Apparently it's a true reading, start dead batteries. This is capable of starting a 10-liter gas or an 8-liter diesel, and I've seen it start like a 14-liter diesel on YouTube. Fast charging with the latest USB-C delivery technology. I like that. So let's get this puppy open. So it comes in this nice gray box. Where is it? There was a brick in here. That sucks. I got ripped off. Over $300 down the toilet. Oh well. I'll just order another one, I guess. Just kidding. It's on the charger already because I'm so excited. All it comes with is a USB-C, a thick manual with every language imagined, a charger to charge it in your car, and a bag. Wish it came with a hard case. I don't think this is fast charging. I think that it charges your phone fast out of the out. I don't know. Came with half a battery, and it's charging up. It's been charging for about an hour and a half. It takes forever to charge. It does not come with a USB, one of these square USBs. This is for my phone, and this one is a fast outlet plug for fast charging the phone. So I just plugged this NOCO cord into it, but it doesn't come with the wall outlet. Kind of cheap. You think it would for the price. So that's all you get right there. Probably gonna order the case. It's only 20 bucks. Because the ones at work, we don't have anything for them, and when you drop them, the ones at work are broken, busted. The first thing that breaks on these things are these side pieces that you hold the clamps on with. I figured they would have stiffened these up on this newer model. Made that a little bit stronger, like metal or something, with a rubber coating. I'm going to do a video soon on this jump starting a vehicle here. I got a Jeep out there that I took the battery out of. It's I need to put axles in it so it's not been driven. But I had to borrow a battery out of it for the F350 7.3. Batteries I put in the 7.3 are only about 2.5 years old. Got them from O'Reilly's Super Starts, and one of them has a bad cell, so it was really sucking down the good battery, and it was hard to start, and I was having to use my JNC 660, that Napa one, Mac, whatever, their JNC, and it was doing it, but it was struggling after a while, because 7.3 takes a lot of amps to turn over. So I took the Jeep battery out, because it's a Group 65. It's an old Napa one, but it's in good shape. So I took the bad, one of the bad batteries out of the 7.3 and put the Napa battery in there. And now the 7.3's been starting fine, but the Jeep doesn't have a battery in it. So I think I'm going to put that dead battery in it, or no battery, and see if this will start it. I'm sure it will. Anyway, thanks for watching. This is the part 1 for the new stuff for the holidays. And coming up, we're going to have a gear wrench tool haul. I got a lot of stuff built up I've been collecting for a good video. So, thanks for watching, and like, comment, subscribe. We'll see you on the next one.